Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do the gaming performance test on the Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime. So Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime is the latest mid-range phone from Samsung in India under the On series, and this device comes with a 5.5 inches Full HD resolution display. It's powered by the Exynos 7870 octa-core chipset. We have the 4GB RAM variant. There is also 3GB RAM variant, and this is coupled with either 32 or 64GB storage variant. It comes with Android 7.1.1 out of the box, and we get a 3300 mAh battery as well. So that is the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime. So in this video we'll test out the gaming performance of this device. So we'll play 3 games: Asphalt, Airborne, Modern Combat 5 and Nova 3 to see how good the experience is. We'll also see if this device heats up while gaming, and in the end we'll also show the benchmark score for this device. So without any further delay, let's get started. First step, Asphalt Airborne. So before starting the test, let's have a look at the temperature. So on the rear panel it's around 32 degrees, 31.5, slightly below 32 degrees. So that's on the rear panel, and on the display it's slightly above 32 degrees, so closer to 33 degrees is on the display. Now let's start the game. So now we are playing in high graphic settings, and you could see that the game responds pretty well. We are not seeing any sort of lags or issues as of now. But the display quality looks dull to us. It is not vivid like the AMOLED panel or other LCD panels. It's a TFT panel, and the display definitely feels kind of washed out or dull to play games. So now we are done with 2 rounds of Asphalt Airborne. Let's see the temperature. So no increase in temperature. So you can see here very less increase. So around 35 degrees. So it's pretty cool even after intensive gaming. We played 2 games and it's still 34 degrees. And on the display, it is slightly about 35 degrees. So you can see here top portion is around 36.7 degrees. So almost closest to 37 degrees. So still way below 40 degrees is the temperature after 2 rounds of Asphalt 8. Now let's move on to Modern Combat. So here you could see that it's quite good. It is not as smooth as the Moto G5 S Plus, but it definitely is quite responsive here. So now we are done with Modern Combat file. Let's see the temperature. So it's now slightly above 35 degrees. So there is a slight increase, but still way lesser than the 40 degrees which we have been seeing on most of the smartphones. So it does not heat up on this device. So now let's see the display. So it's almost like 38 degrees on the top portion of the display. So slightly above 38 is what we are getting. So that's the temperature after Modern Combat. Now let's finally play Nova 3. So now we are done with Nova 3 as well. So let's see the temperature. So it's still around the 35 degrees, so no major increase, and on the display it's again around the 37 degrees, so no major heating issues on this device. Now talking about the gaming experience, we feel it's quite a good device for gaming. It may not be as smooth as the Moto G5s Plus, but it definitely does not have any sort of lags either. So it is kind of an above average performer. Definitely it can play, it can handle heavy graphic rich games, and we did not see any sort of major lags, but it's not a very smooth performer. So other than that, it's quite a good or above average performer for gaming. It's definitely better than the Honor 7X in this price segment, but it may not be as good as the Moto G5s Plus or the Xiaomi's Mi A1 with the Snapdragon 625 chipset. Now we'll also see the benchmark score for this device. It comes with the Exynos 7870 chipset, and the benchmark score is 48158. That's the benchmark score for the Samsung Galaxy On7 Prime. So now we are done the gaming test, and we found that it was quite an above average performer for gaming, and there was absolutely no heating issues, and it is quite a decent performer. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off, and if you plan to buy this device, we'll share the link in the description of this video. You can use our link and buy this device from Amazon. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.